Cats are masters at hiding pain. A little cough, easy to miss. But don't be fooled. That cough could be your cat's way of saying, help. But sometimes it's a sign of something more serious brewing beneath the surface. That's why it's so important to be vigilant. Knowing the difference between a harmless cough and a sign of illness can be life-saving for your feline friend.
So why is your cat coughing? Well, it could be a few things. One common culprit is hairballs. You know, those furry gifts they leave on the carpet? Those start as coughs. But sometimes it's more than just fur. Infections like the flu can also cause coughing. These infections can be serious, so it's important to get them checked out. Another possibility is asthma. It makes breathing difficult and can lead to coughing fits. And unfortunately, there are even more serious possibilities like heartworms. These nasty parasites can wreak havoc on a cat's heart and lungs, leading to, you guessed it, coughing.
Not all coughs are created equal. Sometimes it's just a little tickle, but other times it's a distress signal. So how do you know when it's time to call the vet? If your cat's cough is persistent, meaning it just won't quit, it's time to make that call. Similarly, if the cough is accompanied by other symptoms, like lethargy, loss of appetite, or difficulty breathing, don't wait. Another red flag is a change in the sound of the cough. If it becomes raspy, wheezy, or just sounds off, it's better to be safe than sorry. And finally, any blood in the vomit or discharge from the nose or mouth warrants immediate veterinary attention.
While some coughs require a vet's expertise, there are things you can do at home to help your furry friend breathe a little easier. First and foremost, keep their environment clean and free of irritants. Dust, pollen, and strong scents from cleaning products can all trigger coughing. Next, ensure your cat stays hydrated. Water helps thin mucus, making it easier to cough up. You can even try warming the water slightly to make it more appealing. Another helpful tip is to use a humidifier. Dry air can irritate the respiratory system, so adding moisture to the air can provide some relief. Finally, make sure your cat maintains a healthy weight. Obesity can put extra strain on the respiratory system.
Let's face it, hairballs are a fact of life with cats. But you know, there are ways to minimize those furry surprises and the coughing that comes with them. Regular grooming is your best defense. Brushing your cat helps remove loose fur before it has a chance to be swallowed. Adding fiber to their diet can also help. Fiber helps move things along in the digestive tract, reducing the likelihood of hairballs forming in the first place. There are also special hairball remedies available. These typically contain ingredients like petroleum jelly or pumpkin puree, which help lubricate the digestive system.
A breath of fresh air, creating a healthy environment. Your cat's environment plays a crucial role in their respiratory health. A clean and well-maintained living space can significantly improve their overall well-being. Creating a clean, healthy space can help prevent coughs and other respiratory issues. Start by minimizing dust. Dust particles can easily become airborne and irritate your cat's lungs. Regular dusting and vacuuming, especially in areas where your cat spends a lot of time, can make a big difference. Pay special attention to corners, under furniture, and on cat trees where dust tends to accumulate. Be mindful of strong scents. Cats have a much more sensitive sense of smell than humans, and what might be a pleasant aroma to us can be overwhelming or even harmful to them. Avoid using heavily scented cleaning products, air fresheners, or candles around your cat. Opt for unscented or pet-safe alternatives to keep the air fresh without causing irritation. These can irritate their sensitive respiratory systems. Even natural scents like essential oils can be problematic, so it's best to use them sparingly or not at all. If you smoke, do it outside. Smoking indoors can fill the air with harmful chemicals that your cat will inhale, leading to serious health issues over time. Secondhand smoke is just as harmful to cats as it is to humans and can cause a whole host of respiratory problems. Finally, ensure good ventilation. Proper airflow can help disperse any lingering pollutants and keep the air fresh. Open windows regularly to let fresh air circulate, especially after cleaning or cooking. This simple step can make a significant difference in maintaining a healthy environment for your cat.
Listen to your feline friend. Early detection is key. Cats are experts at hiding illness, so it's up to us to be vigilant and recognize the subtle signs they do give. They may not always show obvious symptoms, but subtle changes in their behavior can be a clue that something is wrong. Early detection is crucial when it comes to treating health issues, including those that cause coughing. The sooner you notice something is off, the better the chances of a positive outcome. Pay close attention to your cat's breathing. Normal breathing should be smooth and unlabored. Is it faster or shallower than usual? Rapid or shallow breathing can indicate respiratory issues or other underlying health problems. Do they seem to be struggling to breathe? Monitor their activity level. Difficulty in breathing is a serious concern and should be addressed immediately. Are they less playful or more lethargic than usual? A decrease in activity can be a sign of discomfort or illness. Changes in energy levels can be a sign that something is amiss. If your cat is sleeping more than usual or seems unusually tired, it could be a sign of an underlying issue. Keep an eye on their eating habits. A healthy cat should have a consistent appetite. A sudden decrease in appetite or complete refusal to eat is a major red flag and warrants a visit to the vet. Loss of appetite can be linked to various health problems, from dental issues to more serious conditions. And lastly, trust your instincts. As a cat owner, you are the best judge of your pet's normal behavior. You know your cat best. If you notice any changes, no matter how small, it's better to be safe and consult with a veterinarian. If something seems off, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Early intervention can make a significant difference in your cat's health and well-being.
Your veterinarian is your partner in keeping your cat healthy. Regular checkups and open communication with your vet are essential to ensure your cat's well-being. Don't be afraid to reach out with any concerns you have, no matter how small they may seem. Early detection of potential health issues can make a significant difference in treatment outcomes. When you take your cat to the vet for coughing, be prepared to provide as much information as possible. This helps the vet make an accurate diagnosis and recommend the best course of action. This includes the duration and frequency of the cough, whether it occurs at specific times of the day and if it has been getting progressively worse. Any other symptoms you've noticed, such as sneezing, watery eyes, or lethargy. These additional symptoms can provide important clues about your cat's overall health and any potential triggers you've identified. Common triggers can include dust, smoke, or other environmental allergens that might be affecting your cat. The vet will likely perform a physical exam to check for any obvious signs of illness. This thorough examination is crucial for identifying any physical abnormalities and may recommend additional tests, such as blood work, to check for infections or other underlying conditions that might not be immediately apparent. X-rays, to get a detailed look at your cat's lungs and chest cavity, or ultrasounds, to examine internal organs more closely, to determine the underlying cause of the cough. These diagnostic tools are invaluable in pinpointing the exact issue and formulating an effective treatment plan. Based on the diagnosis, the vet will recommend a treatment plan, which may include medication to alleviate symptoms, dietary changes to support overall health.
A cough-free life, your guide to a healthy, happy cat. A cough may seem like a small thing, but it can be a window into your cat's overall health. By understanding the common causes of coughing in cats and recognizing the signs that warrant veterinary attention, you can help your feline friend live a long, healthy, and cough-free life. Remember, prevention is key. Creating a healthy environment, providing a nutritious diet, and scheduling regular checkups with your vet are the best ways to keep your cat purring with happiness.